G'day guys and girls, and welcome to another episode. I hope you're doing well. In today's episode, we're going to be painting the brake rotors on the Holden VE. Get them a little bit updated from that rusty red that they've been. Let's get into it. And it's just like magic with the power of editing. And the power of editing, all the wheels are off. Now let's get those brake calipers off. And take the whole brake caliper off so that we can mask these parts up here on the rotor, sand them back a bit, and then we're going to spray in the same plum purple as that so that they'll pop with the black rims. Righty, you want to make sure your handbrake's off so that you can turn your rotor. And what you want to be doing is looking, it looks like a little gear with teeth on it. There we go. Down to with a flathead screwdriver. You want to wind him down. Be able to feel it inside as you wind it. There you go. It's that easy. I just like to reset it after I've got the caliper off. Quickly check. I've always wanted to try this. Got my little pencil out. I use a pencil to trace around where the rust used to be and then transfer the paper over the top. But instead of using masking tape, I've used magnets. I've always wanted to see if that would work on brake rotors, and turns out it does. So, without further ado, there's one more spray. Let's see if you can hear there. Recheck the alignment. Everything looks good. Let's go. Don't forget protection. We'll leave it for a minute, let it dry, pull the stencil up and see how she goes. Alrighty, that don't look too bad. A little bit of spray through, but hey, shit happens, and I'm sure the brake pads will sort that out. I've got to change them out eventually anyway. Now let's do the rest. I reckon it looks pretty good. Let's get it off the jack stands and see what it looks like. Alrighty, she's off the jack stands. All the wheel nuts are tightened. Let's get her off these ramps and get her back in the garage. Oh God, it's so sweaty. The new, see, that's much better. Going to look a hell of a lot better. Alright, we'll have a look inside and I'll show you what I've done. I've obviously changed all the lights out. Blue lights, full leather interior, and then got this purple and white stitching, the Holden logo in the middle of it. Sequential, because I live in a town where I am not clutching every 20 seconds. The back, done the same as the front. Full leathers all the way around. Those are the rears. Excellent. A view of what's been done to the car since I've gotten it. As you can see, I've got a catch can there. Little dipstick in, so you can see how much oil is in it, if it needs taking out or not. Doesn't need emptying. Just connect it up to the PCV system, out, in, down the back. Got a K&N high flow filter, and then I'm not sure if you can see, but down there she says LLT. And we've had that motor swapped out for an LFX out of a VF, and that's about all I've done to the engine so far. Oh, sorry, and the high flow, I guess, catalytic converters, you should call them, because we have no extractors because it's 3 exhaust into 1 port. Not sure if you got that too well. That's the engine bay. Just show you the coilovers. They're the front ones. And then the rears, the XYZ coilovers. Might be able to see the logo down there. With the lights, we've obviously upgraded some DRLs, aftermarket 18 by 9s, oh sorry, 8.5 in the front and 18 by 9s in the rear, with slotted Tora rotors and upgraded Bendix pads. On coilovers as well, XYZ. And then obviously we've got the updated floor leathers. Done the surround, so it's kind of like the same as that. That took me forever to get that patterning in. Full leather interior. And then same in the back again.
coilovers in the rear, XYZ as well, and then a little X-Force 2.5 inch exhaust, duals to quad tips, and the little ducktail. And just underneath with the exhaust, X-Force all the way from engine back, high flow cats, 2.5 inch. Well, what an adventure that was. Thank you to everyone that stuck around until the end, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did working on it. Well, enjoyed the end process anyway. In the next episode, we're going to be putting a strut top brace in the VE, so I hope to see you then. Until next time, be good or be good.